In this tutorial, you'll learn how to make the storm clouds move into your animation. You'll learn how to do all of the programming by watching this video, and then you'll try it yourself on Scratch. In the last tutorial, you programmed the cumulus clouds to leave the screen to make room for our storm clouds, or our cumulonimbus clouds. In this tutorial, we need to get our storm clouds to roll in. So to move the storm clouds, you have to click on the storm cloud sprite. When you click here, you'll notice we already have code written. It says when the green flag is clicked, or when this event occurs, we're going to hide the storm clouds and we're going to have them go to a certain position off screen. To start the animation to allow our cumulonimbus clouds to roll in, we first need to unhide our clouds. So we're going to go to the Looks option in our menu, and we're going to find the block that says Show. We're going to bring it to our workspace. We're going to click on Show, and you'll see a portion of our cloud is going to show up. Now that I can see my cloud, I want to move my cloud onto the stage. To do this, I'm going to go to my Motions option in my tab, and I'm going to choose the Glide option, just like we used before with our cumulus cloud. My cloud's off to the right, and I want to move it left to bring it onto the stage. Whenever you want to move something left or right, you change the X value. I'm going to change my X value to 120. I'm going to keep my Y value the same. I would only change that if I want to move my cloud up or down. So let's click on the block. And the cloud moves, but it doesn't move far enough to cover up the whole screen. Why don't you change your X and Y values to find a value where your cloud can span the width of the entire screen? I found a value that works for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try my entire sequence from the top of the code. I'm going to click the green flag. My white clouds appear and my stormy clouds are hidden. Click on my white clouds, they move off screen, and my storm clouds should be rolling in. But if I look at the code, they're not really attached to an event. There's nothing here above the word show that says this sequence should occur. So what I'm going to do is I have to create an event for the clouds, the storm clouds, to roll onto the screen. I'm going to do this by going to first our cumulus clouds. We have these events called broadcast. These are like signals. So I'm going to choose the broadcast and wait block, and I'm going to attach it to my hide block. I'm going to go to the drop-down arrow, and in the new message, I'm going to type in the words storm in. I'm choosing this message because as soon as the white clouds move out, I want the storm to roll in. So here's our signal at the end of the white clouds moving off the screen. I have to add that signal to our cumulonimbus clouds. So I'm going to go back to our cloudy sprite, and I'm going to choose the event that says when I receive, storm in. And I'm going to add that to the beginning of my sequence. So as soon as the signal from the cumulus clouds goes, this one is going to start and progress to the screen. Let's see if my sequence works. And it does. Now you try it. Unhide your dark clouds, move your dark clouds in, and then set up the broadcast signal between the white fluffy clouds moving out and the dark clouds moving in.